Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email address in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my full YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we have to go into the top left corner and tap on the three lines. Then at the bottom we find settings. The app is loading, then we tap on your account. And here as the second option we find email address. If you tap on this, we can edit the email address that is linked to our Canva account, and then just change it by deleting it and writing here the correct email address. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.